Hello, welcome back. We're going to go over Sailing in the Sun in the second edition Level 1 Faber book. This is one of the first new pieces where you get to practice a new technique in this book. We're practicing our legato technique we learned in Little River. You can see that video if you're not sure how to play legato. One thing to notice in this piece is that my right hand is in my C5 finger scale, but my left hand is up here. My thumbs are next to each other. And I'm going to be playing rests. So it's very tempting to play through the beginning and ignore the rest. Let me go ahead and play from the beginning and you will hear the rests. Let me play the beginning again, and I want to show you what it sounds like when I don't play legato. So instead, I'm holding down the notes and then not letting go until I press the next note. If I hold all the notes, it sounds like we can hear all of them, and it doesn't sound as pleasant. So your goal is to lift as you play the next note. All right, have fun.